Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing great and ready for another deep dive into the world of tech. Welcome back to the channel. It's Digital here, your go-to source for everything cutting edge in the tech universe. If you love exploring new apps, gadgets, and digital trends, you're definitely in the right place. If you're new around here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, app rundowns, and exclusive tips to level up your digital life. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the top 10 hacking apps that can totally transform your smartphone into a powerful cybersecurity tool. These apps aren't just for pros, they're designed for anyone who wants to learn, experiment, and boost their digital skills. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast, an aspiring ethical hacker, or just someone who's curious about how technology works behind the scenes, this list is packed with tools that can help you understand networks, test vulnerabilities, and even protect your own data. Quick disclaimer before we jump in. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Please use these tools responsibly, ethically, and always with proper permission. Remember, hacking without consent is illegal and can have serious consequences. We're counting down from 10, featuring apps that bring hacking, penetration testing, and network analysis right to your pocket. From Wi-Fi analyzers to password auditing tools, these apps can help you learn, experiment, and stay secure in the digital age. Let's get started and see which apps made the list. First up, let's talk about Toolbox, a powerful and portable Linux terminal that brings the world of open-source computing right to your Android device. Imagine having the flexibility of a full Linux environment, but in the palm of your hand, wherever you go. Toolbox isn't just an app, it's a gateway to a new way of using your smartphone. With Toolbox, you get a complete command line interface, allowing you to install thousands of Linux packages, run scripts, and even automate tasks, just like you would on a desktop or laptop running Linux. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about technology, Toolbox opens up endless possibilities for learning and experimentation. You can install powerful tools like Nmap for network scanning, Hydra for password testing, Metasploit for penetration testing, or even set up Python and other programming languages for scripting. This means you can customize your mobile environment, try out cybersecurity tools, or practice coding, all on the go without needing a bulky computer. One of the best parts? Most features work without root access, so you don't have to risk your device's security or warranty. You can safely experiment, learn, and build your skills, all within a secure sandbox on your phone. And if you ever get stuck, there's a massive community of users and developers ready to help. Online forums, detailed tutorials, and step-by-step guides make it easy to get started, troubleshoot problems, and discover new tricks. Security professionals love Toolbox for its versatility. You can scan networks, analyze vulnerabilities, or even learn ethical hacking techniques, all from your smartphone. It's a fantastic tool for anyone interested in cybersecurity, programming, or just exploring what's possible with mobile technology. So, if you're looking to turn your phone into a mini hacker lab or simply want to unlock the full potential of Linux on the go, Toolbox is the perfect place to start your journey. Next, Xanti, the Swiss Army knife of penetration testing for Android. Developed by Zimperium, Xanti offers a suite of network diagnostic tools for scanning, mapping, and simulating attacks. The user-friendly interface lets you sniff traffic, check vulnerabilities, and get real-time feedback on network security. Visual reports make it easy to spot weak points and understand your network's health. It's a must-have for anyone curious about Wi-Fi security. Just remember to use it only on networks you own or have permission to test. Learn, don't harm. Number 3 is Hackcode, a toolkit for ethical hackers, IT pros, and students. Hackcode packs modules for reconnaissance, scanning, DNS lookups, and more, all organized by task. The simple interface makes it beginner-friendly, so you can jump right into learning. Practice skills like footprinting and vulnerability assessment without setting up a full Linux environment. Lightweight and effective, Hackcode is perfect for those starting out in cybersecurity. Simple, modular, and always ready. Now, let's talk about Kali NetHunter, the heavyweight of mobile penetration testing. Imagine carrying the power of a full-fledged hacking lab right in your pocket. NetHunter is a specialized version of Kali Linux, designed specifically for Android devices, and it transforms your smartphone into a portable security testing powerhouse. NetHunter brings the power of Kali Linux to Android, letting you run advanced tools like Metasploit, which is famous for penetration testing and exploiting vulnerabilities. You can launch attacks, test defenses, and even automate security assessments, all from your phone. With tools like AirCrackNG, you can analyze Wi-Fi networks, test their security, and perform wireless audits on the go. This means you're not tied to a laptop or desktop. You can work from anywhere, whether you're in a coffee shop or out in the field. NetHunter also supports USB and HID attacks, allowing you to test physical security by emulating devices like keyboards or mice. This opens up possibilities for red teaming, social engineering, and testing how well your systems stand up to real-world threats. Setting up NetHunter can be a bit tricky, especially since it works best on rooted devices. Rooting gives you deeper access to your phone's hardware, but it's a process that requires caution and technical know-how. For those willing to take the plunge, the payoff is huge. Your phone becomes a serious tool for ethical hacking and security research. With a full Linux distribution and a custom kernel, NetHunter is like a hacker's briefcase in your pocket. You get access to hundreds of tools, custom scripts, and the flexibility to adapt to any security challenge you might face. The NetHunter community is active and supportive, with tons of guides, forums, and tutorials to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find resources and people ready to help you master mobile penetration testing. If you want pro-level tools on mobile, NetHunter is unbeatable. It's the ultimate way to bring the power of Kali Linux wherever you go, making your smartphone a true force in the world of cybersecurity. Halfway through, let's check out AndroRat, Android Remote Administration Tool. AndroRat lets you remotely access and control Android devices for educational and testing purposes only. Monitor calls, messages, GPS, and even activate the camera or mic from a remote dashboard. It's a great way to learn about remote exploits and device security. Just use it ethically and only on devices you own or have permission to test. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. For learning about remote administration, AndroRat is a powerful resource. Next is Wi-Fi Kill, a tool for analyzing and controlling devices on your Wi-Fi network. See all connected devices, monitor activity, and even block users right from your phone. It's a powerful way to test network vulnerabilities and understand the importance of strong Wi-Fi security. The interface is simple, giving you live info and easy controls. Use Wi-Fi Kill responsibly and only on networks you own or manage. It's a great demo tool for network security awareness. Let's talk about DroidSheep, a tool for testing web session security. DroidSheep captures and analyzes session cookies over Wi-Fi, showing how attackers can hijack web sessions. It's a powerful reminder of why HTTPS and secure browsing matter. The interface shows real-time captured sessions, highlighting vulnerable services. For students and researchers, it's a valuable way to understand session hijacking risks. Always use DroidSheep ethically and only on your own networks. At number 8, Csploit, one of the most comprehensive network analysis suites for Android. Map networks, discover hosts, scan for vulnerabilities, and even execute exploits, all from your phone. Perform man-in-the-middle attacks and real-time traffic manipulation to see how attackers operate. Open source and regularly updated, Csploit is perfect for deep dives into network security. Tons of modules let you expand your skills as you go. Use it only on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Number 9 is Nmap, the classic network mapper, now on mobile. Scan networks, discover hosts and services, and audit security from a simple command line interface. Perform quick scans or deep dives to identify open ports and vulnerabilities. Nmap is essential for ethical hackers and network admins to understand their network landscape. It's a great way to learn reconnaissance basics and see how attackers map targets. Just install, scan, and start learning. Last up, Fing, a user-friendly app for network discovery and security analysis. Scan your Wi-Fi or LAN, see every connected device, and get detailed info with just a few taps. Fing is perfect for tracking unknown devices, checking for risks, or securing your smart home. Visual alerts and tips help you improve network security easily. Great for beginners and pros alike. No hacking experience required. If you want an easy way to keep your network safe, Fing is a must-download. That wraps up our list of the 10 best hacking apps to turn your phone into a cybersecurity powerhouse. Remember, use these tools responsibly, with permission, and always to improve security. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech and security deep dives. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.